Have you heard of the new Mercedes Augmented Reality video for navigation? If you're not sure whether you need it or not, in this video I'm going to demo this feature and also we'll discuss all the pros and cons. Coming up right now. On the multimedia screen, I'm gonna go to navigation and then all the way to the right, settings for the navigation. And we hit enter. And now we scroll to advanced and there is a little bit control for augmented reality. So one thing you can change is street names. You can display yes or no, house number yes or no. I recommend to display both and you will see why. And as far as traffic light view, let's just keep it automatic and let's get out of here. Go to Coffee Bean.
Please select from the following locations. Where do you want to go? Let's go. In 400 feet at the end of the road, turn right onto Nagel Avenue.
Wow! I can see the car in front of me and I can see the same car on the screen. But also on the screen I can see the street names and house numbers. You see 13355, 13351. Nice. So the blue arrow in front of my car, it shows me direction where to go. And if you see the street name and direction to the right, you see Nagel Avenue, I have to make right now.
Now turn right.
And now it just went back to the regular screen. So augmented reality video screen does not display all the time, only when needed. So it switches back between regular navigation screen and augmented reality screen, back and forth depending on traffic situation.
In 500 feet turn right onto Greenbush Avenue and then immediately turn left.
So the reality screen appears when you have to do something, like for example make a turn.
Now turn right and then immediately turn left.
I really like this new navigation voice. She sounds like she's extremely happy about something.
Now turn left onto Albert Street and then immediately turn left.
My previous navigation sounded like a freaking Terminator. I'll be back. Although some people say that's how I sound.
Now turn left onto Sunny Slope Avenue.
What a difference. This feature is very cool, but from a practical point of view, augmented reality video has no value. You don't really need it.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Chandler Boulevard.
In other words, this navigation can guide you from point A to point B with or without this feature.
Now turn left.
So it doesn't add any extra functionality. Actually, it can be very distractive. In the previous Mercedes models, the multimedia screen was raised slightly above the dashboard. So when I was looking at the screen, my eye level was still aligned with the road ahead. My side vision was still on the road ahead of me, and it wasn't that all distractive. Now these new Mercedes models equipped with these new MBUX systems have much bigger and nicer screens, but they are sitting much lower in the dashboard. So if you want to pick at the multimedia screen, especially if you like to sit higher,
now turn right.
You have to take your eyes off the road with almost zero side vision. However, it's only $300. and it's a cool feature. And if you like to impress your friends, look what I have. Whoa, cool. Can you believe this? That's a nice feature. Then you should get it.
In 800 feet at the traffic light, turn right onto Fulton Avenue.
Basically, the augmented reality video is not something that you need. It's something that you may want.
Now turn right.
But the good thing, it's only about $300 for the most models. At this price range, this feature doesn't make a big difference compared to the overall vehicle price.
In 500 feet at the traffic light, turn left onto Magnolia Boulevard.
So you may as well get it.
Now turn left.
However, there are a few more serious advantages that come from having this feature in your car. Firstly, in some 2021 Mercedes models, you can get a dashcam recorder, which is a brand new option, and the only way you can get it if you have augmented video in the first place. You will not be able to get the dashcam without it.
In 700 feet, keep right. Now keep right.
Secondly, it can add value to your car when you decide to sell it in the future. It will be a wow factor. So you may as well get it.
In a quarter of a mile at the traffic light, turn right onto Whitsett Avenue. Now turn right. In a quarter of a mile, you will have reached your destination.
The checker flag is where our destination is. And now you can see on the screen we're coming toward the checker flag and we're at our destination.
You have reached your destination.
I still have to get inside the parking. And here is a long-awaited coffee bean where I can finally get my ice-blended Frappuccino. And the question of today is, are you planning to get a dashcam on your next car, and why? Please let us know in the comment section below. To learn more, please visit our award-winning website mbzmaster.com.